So the last method I'm going to show you, which is the one we're going to be using, is we're going to use the structural opening tool. So as I said before, the structural opening component is essentially a door. So if we go to our door tool, again, it's not in the type selector, so we need to bring it in from the library. So we'll go load family, open up the doors folder, and there's a structural subfolder, and there's our door opening. Press open, and the type selector there displays a couple of different variations. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly place it onto the wall, escape. And what we're going to do is we're going to create our own type with our own width and height. So the height will be 2200, but I just got to work out the width. So it's going to go between the top column and lower column. To find out the distance between those two columns, I'm going to use my distance tool, which is the little ruler in the quick access panel. So once I have it turned on, select from one face to the other. And there's my distance of 3 meters. Next, we're going to select the structural opening. We're now going to go to edit type. We don't want to change the parameters of this particular type. We want it to remain as it is. So we'll select duplicate. And first we'll give the width 3000 times 2200. Press OK. And in here in the dimensions panel, we have our rough width, which is 915. So we'll change that to 3000 and the height of 2200. And press OK. And there's our opening. So the last thing to do is just to position it correctly. So I'll use my move tool because that's an accurate move. Select my start point and finish. So in there, that is now my structural opening. And as you can see, the brickwork returns back into the blockwork and the plasterboard again also overlaps. There my 3D view. We have the nice opening now between the two sections of the buildings. And we can now close down the section view. And we want to go back to our ground floor plan. So to do that, we can either go double click here or double click the header. And we're back into our ground floor plan. We've now finished with the section view here, so we can select it and hit delete on the keyboard. And we're given a warning dialog box, just warning us that we're about to delete a section, and the view in the project browser will also be deleted. So am I sure that I want to do that? Yes, I am. So press OK. And you'll see the sections are gone now from the project browser.